vlog time. I don't know, I don't know how I want to do this. I'm going away for my birthday trip. I finished cleaning, I showered, hence the robe. I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna finish up. It is 4:36. I plan to leave by at least 7. I'm dropping my car off at Shy and I'm gonna take an Uber. Paris, thank you. And just get myself together. Just want to document this. I don't know if I'm going to be releasing like day 1, day 2, or part 1, part 2, because I will be at the resort for 5 days, but travel is starting now on the 3rd, and my first flight is 17.5 hours. I have a 3-hour layover, then I have 5.5 hours before I reach Bali, Indonesia. I'm prepared. Transportation is paid for. I already have my visa on arrival. I'm going to feed Barris. I finally got the gifts from Nadia. This is for him. It's a soft plushie toy, so it's not gonna last, but I'll record it for her. You guys may get a little short throughout this trip. Make sure you guys have notifications on. Again, there may be multiple videos dropping this week. I don't know yet, but I'm going to get Barris together. He knows I'm leaving, so he's been a bad boy, real clingy boy, but a very cute boy. And guys, look, my face started breaking out probably like 2 weeks before I left, and they left nasty, nasty scars. It made me so mad, but whatever. I'm going to Bali. I also have some meta frames, so I will be using them to document probably like some of the airport when I get picked up. There will be a sign for me and to show the room. And I will be going on a sunrise hike. So I get there the 5th. I'm just gonna relax, and then the next day it leaves at 1:30 a.m. So I'm gonna go ahead and get myself together. My bag's already in the car. I'm gonna eat something light and probably check in with you guys in the car, and then probably at the airport when I'm settled. I'm very annoyed. I cannot bring my camera bag. Everything is gonna be stuffed in my purse because I'm only allowed to carry on any personal item for China Air. And with Southwest, they gave me an issue with my camera bag, so I'm not even gonna risk it. It's just gonna be annoying, but I have snacks in there. Okay, I'll see you guys. Guys, this is crazy. I know it's on so many bucket lists, but I'm going to Bali. I'm in the airport, but I did not have my mic, so if you guys can't hear, sorry. It was almost like 2 hours to drop off my bag with the TSA, so that was a mess. But I'm here, I'm waiting, we board in an hour. They bumped up my spot. They didn't bump up my seat. They moved my seat because it's not a full flight, and the middle seat is going to be empty. So I will catch you guys on the plane. My skin looks so bad. Ew. I'm still not there. This is my last stop until I reach Bali. I'm in Taiwan. I don't know. I passed through like 3 a.m. like 5 times and 6 a.m. like 4 times. It's Monday for me, and it's still Sunday in New York. I'm so tired. 5.5 hours, and I'm in Bali. And my driver picks me up, so everything's good from there. But, guys, look at me. For India? Hi. For India?
Hey.
How are you? Yeah, that's me.
Nice to meet you, yeah?
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, my name is Yang.
Alright, let's go. Yes, that one.
I got them all. Yeah, no problem.
I'll take my purse.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have fun, eh? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you. So 5 days in Bali and then Thailand, Vietnam.
No. I finally made it. I'm so tired. It's like probably almost 4. I've been traveling for over 26 hours. But here we are, made it to my room. Let's get a little tour going on. So we're at the door. We have a closet immediately. Look, we got slippers, flippy floppies, an umbrella, which is crazy. We have robes. We'll go. Let's go into the bathroom. Oh my God. There I am. I look like shit. It's so humid. I'm so tired. I'm drained. But the bathroom is so nice. So we have this big old spacious mirror. We have a seat. Why do I have a seat? These things in the bathroom. So we have vanity kit, shower cap, shaving kit, a comb, dental kit. A lot of places don't even give you that anymore. 2 dental kits with this vitamin B5 body moisturizer. Water, because they say don't drink the water. Everybody's saying don't drink the water. I'm not gonna drink the water. We have a nice sink, some rags, some towels. I didn't even see this magnifying mirror because the girl got her chin hair. Guys, I felt it on the plane. I gotta get my beard hair out. Can you guys see it? You guys probably can't see it. We have a separate tub. Now, they're not together, okay? We have the toilet on this side. It's just me, otherwise someone really could just be taking a shit while I'm over here trying to shower. So let's step in the shower. Let's see what we got. We got this waterfall. I don't like these because the pressure's never good. Probably just gonna use this. Let's see what we got. We have sage body wash, cilantro hair conditioner, peppermint shampoo. I love a hotel that gives you full-size things. And sage, cilantro, peppermint. We doing so. Let me get that out the shower. Let me get out the shower. Let me get a towel. I didn't even repeat this big ass mirror. We have mirrors everywhere. And there's light up there. This is so cute. We're not done. We're walking with shavers only. Oh, I don't, for your clippers and shit. Let's get to the rest of the room. We have some storage. Focus, thank you. Storage, we got a safe. I guess this is for the mosquitoes. That's not in English. Mosquito spray. I don't know what that's for. Why is this, is this a drawer? Oh my God. Okay, so more storage, this is a drawer. More drawers. We're looking through everything because we're cozy. Okay. And then we have the bedroom. Right here, we got a nice king-size bed for moi. We got these hanging lights for, I don't know, because it's not very bright. Oh, look, a little reading. It was on, a little reading light. I have 2 books I want to get into. I barely started reading one, I was so tired. We got a TV, we got a desk. We got to step down. I don't want to hurt myself, so I had to show you guys. A sitting area. Here we go, guys. We got some coffees, signature coffees, which I think is like a little tiny espresso machine. More water, Pringles. Let's take a look at this menu, okay? And roasted cashews. I don't do that. This is how much everything costs. The prices, it's really nothing. It's really nothing. I think 500,000 is about $30, but these are, I guess, from the mini bar. I don't drink soda, so it doesn't matter. Natural still water. There's water, like I drink them, don't give a fuck. There's also water stations downstairs because everybody says do not drink the water. What else we got? Orange juice, apple juice, Pringles, hard seltzer, undrink, chocolate. Let's take a look what we got here. Here's everything they try to charge you for. Not interested. Oh, what's in here? We have a kettle. Jesus. What else we got? Oh, we got some tea. And some mixing stuff. What kind of tea we got? Earl Grey, chamomile, English breakfast. Typical, we have some glasses. Let's take a look at the balcony. I feel like you guys need to see me too, because I'm tired. I look so washed out, y'all. Ew. I'm about to say, is it locked? Let me out. Look how stupid I just... I got it now. Okay. For real this time. This is the balcony. Immediately my things are fogging up. This is so cool. People lazy rivering it up. Where's the balcony? Can't even see me. I'm waiting for my bags to get delivered. Once my bag comes, I'm gonna take a shower. I'm so tired, guys. And that's probably just gonna be it for day one, because I'm so tired to... I have a hike at 1:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna deal with that. Also, they're trying to figure out my food credit. I included food and drink with my room, and I paid for it, and it's in my original reservation, and they're saying they have to check. There goes my bags. I gotta go